Hello student, myself Ajay sir and welcome you in physics lecture 3rd. Dear student, in previous class we have studied about the use of physics, scope of physics and classical physics, about modern physics and microscopic domain. In previous class we have studied about the mechanics. Now in this class, in this section uh, we are going to study about the electrodynamics. It is electric and magnetic phenomena associated with charge and magnetic body. For example, motion of a current conductor in magnetic field. माइक्रोस्कोपिक डोमेन में थर्ड टॉपिक है आपका ऑप्टिक्स. इट इज फेनोमेना इन्वॉल्विंग लाइट. ऑप्टिक्स में हम लोग लाइट से रिलेटेड चीज़ें एनालिसिस करते हैं. फॉर एग्जांपल रिफ्लेक्शन एंड रिफ्रैक्शन ऑफ लाइट. You already studied about this in previous class 10. Now your fourth topic is thermodynamics. It deals with system in microscopic equilibrium and charge in internal energy temperature. That means in this topic we study about the energy and their temperatures. For example, efficiency of heat engines. माइक्रोस्कोपिक के बाद सेकेंड आपका टॉपिक है माइक्रोस्कोपिक डोमेन. इस डोमेन में हम लोग किस किस टॉपिक पे स्टडी करते हैं. इन दिस टॉपिक वी विल स्टडी अबाउट द gravitational force and many things. Phenomena at tiny scale. Microscopic domain includes phenomena at tiny scale, that means extremely small, like atom, molecules, nuclear, electron, photons, etc. You all know about this. This is a very small particle, extremely small particle, and it can't be seen by your naked eyes. So, factor responsible for progress of physics. This is topic. What is the factors for the responsible progress of physics? The first, quantitative analysis along with qualitative analysis. क्वांटिटेटिव एनालिसिस के साथ साथ क्वालिटेटिव एनालिसिस भी होता है. एप्लीकेशन ऑफ यूनिवर्सल लॉ इन डिफरेंट कॉन्टेक्स्ट, एंड वी यूज द एप्लीकेशन ऑफ लॉ ऑफ फिजिक्स इन डिफरेंट कॉन्टेक्स्ट. Some terms used in physics like hypothesis. This is a supposition without assuming that it is true. It may not be proved but can be verified through experiment. What is axioms? It is an evident truth that is accepted without any controversy, without any question, without any doubt. And next, model. This is a theory proposed to explain observed phenomena. Assumption. This is a basis of physics where a number of phenomena can be explained. These are some basic terms in physics. Now, some fundamental forces occur in नेचर में कुछ फंडामेंटल फोर्सेस क्या क्या होते हैं. ग्रेविटेशनल फोर्स. ऑल ऑफ यू नो अबाउट दिस फोर्सेस अप्लाइड बिटवीन द टू ऑब्जेक्ट. दिस इज अट्रैक्शन फोर्स बिटवीन टू ऑब्जेक्ट्स by their properties. Some as if mass is greater, then the gravitational force or attractional force is greater. If mass is less, then the force is always less. It depend on the property of the mass or weight of the mass. It is a universal force. This force always a universal force. Electromagnetic force. It is a force between charged particle. You know, the force of attraction between the like charges. Force of attraction between the unlike charges and the force of repulsion between the like charges. And in the motion produce magnetic force. It is called electromagnetic. When charges in motion, they produce a magnetic force. Is called electromagnetic force. Okay. I hope you understand this. Thank you.